who are on the stage, and my dear students and teachers. It's a great initiative from Riverdale High School that we have come early in the morning. Some teachers were here at 5:30, 5:45, and all these children must have got up very early today, something very strange for them, and they have come here to do this RDS Cleanathon. Now, why have we started this, or why have you begun this initiative? It is just to create an awareness among the children that value of cleanliness. It is said, clean, your mind becomes clean, your system becomes clean, and everything becomes systematic. And therefore, cleanliness is the basic value that we need to teach to these children. And secondly, why we have chosen this walking plaza as an initiative for our Cleanathon is because a place where hundreds of people must be coming here to have this walk, to have their morning walk. I think this place needs to be a little more cleaned, and we want to create awareness among the people who are having a walk, not to just use this walking plaza only for walking. I think each one of them has a responsibility to keep at least the place clean, or to water the gardens in the summer or when there is no sufficient rain. And that awareness we want to create to the people who are having a walk. And thirdly, this initiative is not going to end today itself. It is only a beginning. We are going to continue throughout the year. We'll bring these children sometimes, especially during the summer or when there is no much rain. We'll bring these children again to clean this place, to water the garden. Because ultimately, what we need to do is, we need to keep our city clean. But we cannot keep the entire city clean because it is highly impossible. And we don't have that much resource. But at least we can keep this area clean, to which we can spread the message. If we can keep this area clean, I think you all also can keep your surrounding clean. There's a major message we want to spread today, and I'm very grateful to Mr. Lilasans and all the dignitaries here for giving us this opportunity to make use of this place, so that you are also part of this Cleanathon initiative. You are also part of this value education to our children. Thank you very much for your time here. At the same time, thank you to all teachers who have come all the way in the morning to help in this initiative. Also children, so now we begin our task of cleaning. So take care of if at all you have some allergy, just let your teachers know that you have an allergy. So don't go to that place. But others can carry on with the gloves and mask. See that mask and gloves are there. And after a certain time, we'll come again for our break. So thank you very much to everyone, and let's make this initiative not just the beginning, but continuing throughout the year. So God bless you. Thank you so much.